Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, I'm going to discuss frequent cases of crime in Indonesian society. Apart from the difference in economic and employment background, unequal migration and economic development of people create social inequality and crime. There are also many additional factors that underlie the incidence of crime. The most important in the opportunity, thus we are constantly admonished to stay alert and not let our guard down. In Indonesia, there are many crime where crime are shocking, the unpredictable. The most trend lately is robbery. And I'm going to review some of the crime that people should be aware of, the including ourselves. One, kidnapping. The current kidnapping mode target ever wither target. There were varying methods. When children are target, some use child fishing quivers with a toy or testimonial. Others threaten to pick up their children at school. The same can be said of adolescents and adults, usually more extreme technique. For example, when we are on the side of the road, a car come up and suddenly the person inside open the door, bringing the victim by force. Usually, a kidnap like this is for solicitation, but it's even more horrible when it can be murder. Two, the recent robbery of the robbery has been one of the bogey that caused many people to return home alone at night, especially in the capital. After all, the pressure of the robbery were willing to injure the victim at the two wealth condition. 3. Hypnotism is also continuous with hypnosis, or other Japan say did them. Hypnotism can occur in persuasive style via the telephone as well as by painting hand in our bodies. Before we know it, the killer will take control of the mind and make the victim do whatever they want. And generally about making a victim give up his property. Often hypnotism occurs in public fix. Shelter or place where we are alone waiting to be bored. Hence it's generally recommended that we not lose focus or daydream, because in the condition it's easy for the predator to act. For found in various ways, it's so common in Indonesia, but on small scale and on a large scale, some masquerade as mainstays word and deceive to houseboat, while others perform for via text or phone fraud. Via psychologic for great variety of device, we are called on to keep our eyes open with orange unusual phone, usually lately winning notice or bad news. And accidental news of family member that could easily tempt us. A calm and focused attitude is needed to deal with this situation. So we do not get caught off in a deception that it's damaging ourselves. That's the subject of crime in Indonesia. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.